Karibu Tanzania, karibu Xodus House. Huduma zetu ni nzuri sana kama hivi, mazingira ni mazuri, tupo karibu na bichi, unaweza unakuwa huru kabisa kwa chochote. Karibu sana, unakaribishwa Tanzania. Welcome Tanzania.
This is the Xodus House compound. It's beautiful. Hey, what's up, everybody? You're now tuned into T.
And
T. And it's your girl, Jazzy J.
Mike Deezer.
We in the building, y'all. Babe, let them know where we at, what we about to show.
And we at Renee's place, the Xodus House.
Xodus House, yeah. Xodus Africa, y'all.
The Xodus House, and this is the room that we were staying in. Let's see if we can get it to focus on.
Come over here.
But you got this nice sized bed right here.
Yes.
That was very comfortable. Very firm bed. And it turned out that firm is pretty good for a bed. And this is some of the artwork. All people from Tanzania. Like my man L.I.A.Y.D would say, Tanzania.
Yeah. All local artists, y'all.
We got the AC.
Which blew snowballs.
Man, blew snowballs, man. Snowballs. And then this is what we woke up to.
This was our
every
thing
morning.
Is we
woke up to this right here.
View, y'all.
Yeah.
Like we went for the smaller room. But we were like, we just want the beach view, y'all, because she has suites in here too, guys. Amazing suites. But we went for the smaller room.
Get on TV.
Give us the view. Yep.
We never watched it.
Yeah, we didn't need it.
We never turned it on. And then we had some more artwork decorated out here.
Yeah.
And then if you've seen any of Xodus videos, she actually painted this herself.
Hand painted by Renee, and it is beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Hand painted artwork.
Had a key so we could lock up all the valuables and stuff. Nice little cabinet. And we wanted to get y'all, sunrise this morning, but it was a little cloudy.
Yeah, we're gonna
It was a little cloudy. So let's go to the next part of the house. So this is where we went and got washed up at. This is the bathroom.
The mama of the house kept this so clean.
Yeah.
Amazingly clean.
You got a regular toilet.
Clean. The flush was good on the toilet. We had hot water.
Had hot water the whole time.
Yeah, it was nice.
You can see
out here.
You can see out the front of the property.
And she also has suites with nice size shower.
Nice size shower, real tub and everything.
And she also has suites that have the bathroom inside, but we opted where it's an Airbnb, so we got the suites. Look at that chandelier, y'all.
This is like almost in every room.
The craftsmanship on that, man. And look at, she's got this nice crown molding at the top.
Yeah, almost every house is
going
to have this good molding all the way around.
Yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. So come out here and then show a little from the back. Like the whole thing. There you go. Man. So nice, clean, beautiful bathroom that she
you can see me in the mirror. Get in the mirror, babe. Get in the mirror. Get on in there. Get in the mirror.
And
so as you can see, this house is huge, man.
The other bedrooms are here, but we don't have keys to those, but they're suites.
And
beautiful. You have a private balcony, so let's walk them out here so we can show y'all.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. That's to the rooms. Yeah.
There we go.
That's the hallway that leads down to the other bedrooms. And here goes some beauty over here.
And this is the living room area, the upstairs living room area.
Big TV.
You got some more
beautiful artwork. Look, show the furniture.
I mean, that's next door.
Yeah, you see that mansion over there?
The mansion next door.
That's how big her house is, pretty much too.
And it's a compound, so everybody got stone gates.
Go up so you can see. Yeah, right there, y'all. And then we're going to show the furniture and we're going to show this view.
Mango trees, coconut trees,
fruit trees,
big fruit trees, man.
We felt like we were in like the, man, it's beautiful. Look at her detail on her furniture. She's got the embedded, embezzled on the couches. the teal. I mean, it's just beautiful. Like
That's
she
a nice
put
color.
her beautiful accents on everything. And go back so you can actually see the whole thing.
360 degree.
There you go.
Well, almost
Slowly
360
see that?
degree.
This is the sitting room area. TV. Like she put beautiful little touches on everything. And this is the view in the sitting room area, y'all. This is the view. It is just gorgeous. You have a view all the way around. Nice. We're going to take you, beautiful paintings that were hand drawn. She put into the community. Yeah, beautiful lights. She's got the teal light. My camera doesn't show the color, but the teal light matches the actual teal furniture. More artwork. And then this, y'all, is the balcony. Michael and I sat here the other night, had a few drinks, listened to the ocean. So this is the balcony that you come outside to. That gate is how we got to the beach.
Yeah, that gate over there.
Yeah, this gate right here. This is your balcony view. And see, if you walk down this way, these rooms right here have access to balconies. So you can get a room that has access to the balcony. Beautiful suites. And we're thinking about coming back and staying again. So this room, whoever's room that is, has the balcony access. This is her yard, y'all. Look at how much room there is over here, y'all. It's just gorgeous.
That's a big room.
Look at that.
I don't know if she even figured out what I was going to do with this area right here.
It is absolutely amazing.
But she got the area though. So
And this is only the top half, and y'all haven't even, we didn't even know, like these would be the other rooms over here. Yeah. So, yep.
Even though all the windows are tinted, you would really have to be staring in. To, what was that, a bird?
Yeah, bird just flew out. So this is the top half. We'll head our way downstairs and show y'all that.
Hey, security is tight.
Man, we're going to have our review that tells you everything that you need to know about here. Look at this artwork, y'all. She said, if you watch her channel, she said she wanted to make sure she had beautiful black images of Africa on her walls. Because sometimes you come to Africa and there's a lot of whitewashing that the Europeans have done, and they have just white people everywhere pretty much. So she wanted to make sure you saw beautiful images of who you are. That's the Maasai tribe right there. So this is your view of the wall art. It's just gorgeous, y'all. All the little details she put into this home. That's another Maasai tribe. And this is locally drawn. I'm going to see if we can get, that's what I want. I want to see if we can get something drawn to take back home. And who knows, we might do like a souvenir giveaway. Comment down below if y'all want like an Africa souvenir giveaway. So this is everything, just fine detail. Here, babe, you can walk them around nice and slow. Show them all of that. Look at how beautiful this is, man.
Place is huge.
Look at these photos, y'all. Gotta walk it slow. Yeah, slow.
Yeah, we're looking pretty good here, man.
And
Very nice touches.
Other room over here, and then there's still more rooms over here. You can't even see these rooms.
What? Let's walk around.
Yeah. You can't go in because there's, in case of, look at these doors, y'all. Look at the craftsmanship. Show them that door.
Okay.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
You can't really see.
Oh, our phone is dark right there. You go. That just zoomed in. You can see it. There you go. Nice, tall, big wooden door.
Yeah, we never even used this door.
Yeah, we use the side door. And then there's more rooms here. This big picture wall on it.
And this is just the hallway.
This is just the hallway, y'all. This is the kitchen.
Then we got the
Fully
kitchen.
furnished kitchen, had everything. Go slow all the way around. There you go, so they can see. And back wall
The
over
view
here.
of the yard.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
You had a stove to cook in, and if you've never been to Africa, some places don't come with stoves. Some places aren't furnished, and a lot of places don't have like microwaves and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So she has microwave, kettle, steamer, coffee maker, everything. She's got your plates, bowls. She's got a full-size refrigerator, which is awesome.
Yeah,
These
this
rugs,
the kitchen.
even these rugs are
Listen, we can go up.
Yeah, did you see that picture over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw that picture right there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the detail is just.
Got tile all the way around. And these floors, man. See that floor just shining?
Yeah. Africa
Man.
got us on the craftsmanship.
It's all about whoever doing the buffing is huge. He's got this
Sitting room area.
nice table.
Oh, here we go. Let me move this.
That's our stuff. We're getting ready to pack up and head out. But this is a dining area here.
This last area that we're going to show y'all is beautiful.
Huge TV. And then we got, I got right there. Dry like it'll mess you up.
I'll slowly show this over here. This is gorgeous.
This right here.
Yeah.
This is
All the
another
detail.
part.
This is another sitting room.
Pink, yellow, like a moss green type of soft green. Good old carpet.
Very
You get some more
detail.
figure beans over there. And the same thing with this side.
Yes, so y'all, Xodus House, we're going to do a full review and tell you guys everything about our experience here. It is just awesome. We're so proud of Renee, and we're hoping to have an interview with her as well if we can catch her. She's a very busy woman, so look at that. Hand painted, y'all. So
It's pretty much what the
yeah.
like that. Let's go on up.
And then we're going to show y'all outside as well. And when I tell y'all, it's just a little paradise here, y'all.
Hey, Joseph.
We got Joseph over here. He helped us with everything. Is that okay? Okay. This is Joseph, y'all. If y'all come to the Xodus House, he was amazing. He got us food, delicious food that now we got to go look for again.
Yeah.
And he just helped us with everything, get rides and everything. Do you want to say hi to the people?
Hi.
Nice. This
Mambo.
is Mambo.
Say Mambo.
Mambo.
Means hi.
Yes, Mambo,
Okay.
Mambo. So yes,
Welcome to Xodus House.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Anything else to tell the people if they want to come here?
I don't know how to explain in English. My English.
Say it in your language. It's okay. Yeah.
My language?
Uh-huh.
Swahili?
Yes.
Okay. Karibu Tanzania. Karibu Xodus House. Huduma zetu ni nzuri sana kama hivi. Mazingira ni mazuri. Tupo karibu na bichi. Unaweza unakuwa huru kabisa kwa chochote. Karibu sana, unakaribishwa Tanzania. Welcome Tanzania. Come Tanzania.
Wait, thank you, Joseph. Y'all, that sounds beautiful. We're going to have Renee translate for us. That sounds beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you so much, friend. Thank you. Y'all, this is her yard. Look at how gorgeous this is. We got sitting areas out here.
Mm-hmm.
Just
It's
beautiful.
a whole nother,
And she's working on things
whole
back
nother
there.
area right there.
Yeah.
That,
She's
you know,
doing stuff with like this.
something's
It's
gonna happen over there.
and I heard some people that lived here say that she just really like the renovations, all the work that just went into making this house a spot for us expats to come and enjoy, and anybody who wants to come and enjoy. It's just beautiful, y'all.
Oh, about the shoes out here.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
You walk to the beach.
We'll meet you guys over at the beach where we're going to collect some sand, y'all. We'll be back.